Cuddy caught the eye. Charlie Miller was outstanding. He's getting back to the form of old, and only the reflexes of Ludovic Roy kept him at bay. Alex Smith can look on with quiet satisfaction after bringing Miller back north from Watford. And it was Miller again who came close for United. His full kick left Roy scrambling. Dave Brown is watching Miller's progress, and while it's perhaps too early for a Scotland call-up, his next involvement suggests it will soon be Miller time. Roy of the Rovers would have stopped this one. And now from one challenge.
Charlie Miller! Charlie Miller!
Rangers ball. Quickly taken through for Laudrup. There could be another one. He's got the ball from Charlie Miller. He lays it in a play. It's 7-2. It's great ability again from Laudrup.
When Charlie Miller's hard work on the right was rewarded after an excellent move involving Stensas, Turn and Gascoigne, before a deft flick on by Ian Ferguson set up Miller to drive the ball past the helpless Swedish international goalkeeper Ravelli. The goal gave Rangers a glimmer of hope that they could overcome the 3-goal deficit in front of the fanatical home support. For 30 years, a seemingly unbeatable record held by Celtic was written in the history books of Scottish football. 9 league championships in a row. To equal this seemed an impossible dream. That dream came true on the 7th of May at Tannadice.
Charlie Miller had kun je ook Clinton Rangers gepraat as join a new title in the warning at the Strechela.
Well, that night was special. That was one of the greatest nights of my life. To be fair, it was to be part of something that doesn't come along very often. It might never happen again, but it was great to be part of it, and it was an experience. There was a lot of pressure there. After that game, I didn't realise. Before the game, I didn't realise so much pressure was on us, but after we win the game, I just felt as if the pressure had just come out, come away from us. So it was nice to get the 9th title.
A call like Charlie to flick the Ranoka Rangers.
Enjoy it. Love playing for Rangers because you think there's better places out there than Rangers. There's not many. Because Rangers treat the players great. It's a great club to play for. And then when you leave, you realise that, I was very lucky there. But I went to some good clubs afterwards. I enjoyed my time at other clubs, but Rangers were a bit special,